Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I'm here in Wayne's temporary studio here in Quartzsite, Arizona. As you can see some of the artwork behind you, I'm going to show you a quick tour of what he does. And here you can see he's working on one. What he does is he does a basic outlay of the description of what the animal looks like, and then he carves and fills it in. So you can see here he's done the water basically is little fine waves, right? Then he cuts into the rock here. You can see how he cuts in. As it comes in over here, you can see the highlight where he's penciling in what his animals are going to look like. And then he just does a rough draft outline and then fills it in from there. It all depended upon the piece of wood and the outlay and how it calls out. As you can see, there's a lot of different variables that he does in his artwork. You see how the splay of the burl kind of opens up and it goes into the deadness of the tree right here, right? So you can see the life and then the death inside the tree. Look at the burl in this. It's amazing. I watched him do this one. This was very awesome as well. The elk is bellowing out the tones over the valley with the burl and that gray. This is the one he finished just the other day. If you want something done, Wayne can get it done. This is Desert Artist. I'm out of here.